morning everyone. Today I'm going to talk about our project, and our company name is Wave Port Sdn Bhd. So from the starting, our CEO summary. Welcome to Wave Port, where every time there is opportunity and every horizon signals progress and has a gateway in global trade. So our port focus more on getting containers, getting the shipments from all over the world, and we do also have our own shipyard. Waveport is more than a logistics hub. It is a living ecosystem of partnerships, technology, and trust. Together, we are shaping a future where commerce follows seamlessly, responsibly, and sustainably. The journey ahead is bright, as with your support, Waveport will continue to rise as a trusted leader in global trade. And this is our CEO summary, which is my summary. Next. And this is the table of contents, which we listed here, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, with all of the topics. Next. This is my message as a CEO. At Waveport Sdn Bhd, we see every wave as a symbol of progress. Our port is not just a point of arrival and departure, it is a dynamic hub where commerce, innovation, and sustainability converge. Over the past years, Waveport has grown into a trusted gateway for global trade, connecting industries and communities across continents. With state-of-the-art infrastructure, advanced digital systems, and dedicated workforce, we ensure that goods move efficiently, safely, and responsibly. So we do ensure all of the safety of the goods, the condition of the goods, and the timing to make sure deliver the shipments of goods to the customer, clients at the right time. And our mission goes by logistics, sustainability, innovation, community, global connectivity. As we look to the horizon, our vision is clear to be a port that balances growth with responsibility, ensuring that the future generations inherit a thriving, sustainable gateway to the world. Thank you for being part of this journey. Together we will continue to ride the wave of progress with confidence and purpose. Next. And this is our board of members, which we have strategy, innovation, strategy, community, global connectivity. Our vision is to position Waveport as a sustainable innovation and globally trusted hub for commerce. And these are members. First will be me, the CEO, which is I responsible for leading the company overall business strategy, operations, and international partnerships. And further on, to Burhan, he is a finance director, which manages financial planning and budgeting investments. And third, for operations director, Muhammad Fauzi bin Muhammad Fairuz. His work is to oversee port operations and cargo handling, which is one of the important part of logistics. Next. And for our human resources director, which is important as well, Angelo Egos Kade. And next, our logistics manager, Gary. And Muhammad Aidi bin Masir, independent non-executive director, which we have both of them. And Muhammad Zulkifli bin Ali, independent non-executive director. Next, I pass it to Fauzi.
Hi sir, my name is Muhammad Fauzi, and this is our organization chart. So our company led by Mike himself as a chief executive officer. Next, we have Burhan Din as a finance director. Next, we have me, Fauzi, as an operation director. And and Angelo Amos Kalen as a Human Resources Director. And we already have Hari Marban as a Logistic Manager. And for the next position, we have two people, Muhammad Zulkifli bin Ali and Muhammad bin Nasir as a Independent Non-Executive Director. Next. So, this is our top management. Connecting oceans, creating opportunities. The top management team of Waveport Sdn Bhd is composed of dedicated and experienced professionals with extensive expertise in validating operations, logistics, engineering, finance, and strategic management. Their strong leadership and industry knowledge enable the company to deliver efficient port service, uphold international standards, and ensure safety, reliable, and sustainable operation. So our management team works closely together to enhance operational productivity, strengthen business partnership, and drive innovation through modern technologies and smart port solutions. With a clear vision and continuous improvement, Waveport is committed to supporting global trade, contributing to economic growth, and becoming one of the most trusted and competitive port operators in the region. So I'll pass to next. So that's for it. So if I'm going to talk about the history of the port. Waveport Sdn Bhd has been trading harbor for centuries, but modern container port only developed in the 21st century. In 2003, the Waveport Sdn Bhd was formed to demodernize operation, followed by public listing and opening the Malaysian deep water port in 2005 until 2006. By 2010, Waveport Sdn Bhd have become the world's busiest container port, a title it still holds. Automation expand from 2017 with the Malaysia Phase 5th terminal, and by 2024 until 2025, the port surpassed 55 million TEU while growing its green shipping fuels service. Overall, sustained government-backed turned Waveport Sdn Bhd from the harbour to the world-leading port. So the next part we'll talk about the vision of our company. This our vision in Waveport Sdn Bhd to accomplish Waveport Sdn Bhd Indonesian Shipping Center initiative, support Waveport Sdn Bhd developing into a global hub for trade and logistics. Our vision is to become a world-class port operator while maintaining the home port number one in the world, ranking in continental throughput and achieving a top 3 ranking in the industry on all major performance indicators. Thank you, everyone. Next, please.
Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. I will present our Manpan, the company logo and the dedication. The Waveport logo represents strength, movement and global connectivity. The waste symbol reflects the maritime industry and continuous progress, with while the modern design symbolises innovation, efficiency and reliability. The blue color represents the ocean trust and professionalism. We list the overall logo reflect Waveport commitment to providing excellent port and logistic service while supporting international trade. Waveport Sdn Bhd is a modern commercial port located in Malaysia, providing efficient and diverse maritime logistic service. The company serves specialized in container handling, cargo storage, warehouse management, and international shipping support. Our engagement first successfully handled over 1.5 million TEUs of container cargo in 2027. Center received the Best Emerging Smart Port Award 2026 for Innovation in Port Operation. The test is achieved ISO 9001:2015 days. And lastly, the port is expanded shipping connection with more than 50 international ports across Asia, Europe, and the Middle East.
Okay, hello sir, good morning. I will explain about the port map, container terminal, and passenger terminal. So I will start with the port map here. So the Lake Port sits on natural deep water along Selangor Strait of Malacca coastline, about 45 kilometers. Picture to the west in our container terminal. The cargo engine which we get to the moment. To the east, right of our pass is our passenger and goods terminal. Inland, connected by a dedicated rail spur, is the Waveport free zone and warehouse district. And overlooking it all is the port authority and administration principle, home to the sales office and the Caratis control tower. Next. Now we will move on to the control terminal. So we have got 9 berths across 2.8 kilometers of way worked by Torido Super Post Panama Snails and 95 gantry cranes in the yard behind them. Altogether, Waveport container terminal handles up to 7.5 million TEUs a year. Every container is tracked automatically in real time, and we have got over 4,200 refer points for temperature sensitive cargo. And we guarantee a 45 turnaround from the moment a ship enters the channel. From there, a direct highway in and rail spur move containers on the free zone within the hour. Next, for the last one, the passenger terminal. The human side of port. Our cruise and ferry terminal has 780 main berths, long enough to dock 2 mega cruise ships at once, handling up to 10,000 passengers per one, as you can see there. 2 smaller berths handle additional ferries to nearby islands. Once passenger clear customs and immigration, they walk straight into a duty-free arcade, waterfront cafe, and open-air lounge with harbour views. And we also have built-in shore power so that ships run on clean electricity instead of diesel. Better for the port, better for the coastline. So that's the Waveport in motion. 1 channel, 4 zones, and 2 every different kinds of traffic, container moving cargo, and passengers starting their journey. Next, I will pass it to Aidil to continue his part. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Aidil Masih. Today I will explain about Adli, which is man and warehouse. So basically, our Waveport is connected to an network, ground floor and network. Basically, our Waveport use modern crane to load and unload container quickly and safely. So the main type of the cranes are ship-push. So crane and rubber gantry cranes. So this can help improve efficiency and reduce loading time. Besides that, Waveport has land and secure warehouse. The warehouse are used to store container, general cargo, and refrigerated goods before they are delivered to customer. So this help protect the good and enhance port operation. Next. Next, I will explain about the island. So Waveport is connected to an island port, road and railway network. The island port help reduce congestion at the main port by handling cargo storage, customs clearance, and container distribution. This connection allows goods to be transported more quickly and efficiently to different locations. It is also improves the overall logistics system. Next, lastly, I will explain about the prison. The prison is a special area where component can store, process, and distribute goods without paying import duties immediately. So this help reduce business cost impact, foreign investment, and support international trade as a result. Waveport become more competitive and provide better service to businesses around the world. So this is all my part.
This is the content of the Waveport company. This one is address. This is the contact number of the company. Third one is the email to the company. The fourth is the website. The final one is the operating hours and hours Monday to Sunday. The second part is frequently asked questions. The first one is what is the Waveport? Waveport is the commercial seaport that provides shipping, cargo handling, warehousing, and logistics services. The second question is what services does Waveport offer? We provide container handling, cargo storage, ship berthing and warehousing, customs support, and logistics solutions. The third question is what type of cargo can Waveport handle? Waveport handle containers, bulk cargo, general cargo, vehicles, and industrial equipment. The fourth question is how does Waveport ensure safety? We follow international port safety standards, conduct regular inspections, and provide safety training for all employees. The final question is how can customers contact Waveport? Customers can contact us by phone, email, and through our official website and inquiries and support.
So that's all for our company. Thank you very much sir for your friendship, and also you can give us very high marks.